Alright, we're gonna torque this to spec. This is a 50 foot-pounds with a 22 mil socket. 50 foot-pounds plus 90 degree. One more. Good. The bolt joint nut. That one is 50 foot-pounds with 90 degree angle. One more. Okay, good. Alright, let's do the one on the top. This one is 35 foot-pounds and 90 degree angle after. So this thing is gonna spin on us. So let's put a pry bar down here. And then we'll push it down while we're gonna spin that nut. So 35 foot-pounds plus 90 degree. One more. Good, perfect. Next is we're gonna do the 90 degree angle on this front forward arm and then the lower bolt joint, and after that we'll do the upper bolt joint. So this is hard to see from upside down. Okay, I got the camera upside down. So this is 0 and then you're gonna go all the way to 90 on this side, okay? So you go that way. I'll let you know to stop. Go ahead. All the way. Yeah, 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 more. Go ahead, more. Yeah, last one. There you go. Stop.
Done?
Yeah, done. All right, I'll show you guys. Right there, 90 degree. Right there. All right, let's do the bolt joint. All right, guys, so this is our setup right here. I turned the wheel all the way to the left and we got the angle dialed right there, all the way to the 0 now. Right there, 0 right there. We're gonna turn this all the way to 90. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there, 90. Yeah. It's hard to see with an angle camera, but
yeah.
All right, now let's go on the top. All right, upper bolt joint nut right there. This is a 35 foot-pounds with 90 degree. So we'll do the 90 right now. So 0 it out, and then we're gonna go to 90 that way. Yeah, that's good. All right, guys, outer tie rod 26 foot-pounds plus 90 degrees. So 26. One more. That's good. Okay, go ahead. 90.
Okay. Come on.
Go ahead. So, it's good. Done. All right, that's it. All torque to spec. We're gonna put the cotter pin in here. Make sure you get that hole ready. Same thing on that one, cotter pin. Upper bolt joint control arm is okay. So, from here, we'll put all the rotors, brakes, calipers, torque to spec, and then put the tire. This is ready to go. We're just gonna end the video from here because this is all just very basic. Just gonna quickly show you guys how to do those other stuff, and that's it. This is the 2014 Chrysler 300. So give me a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe. See you guys again on our next one.